Hey guys, what's up? Look, this is a track where real car racing takes place. Hi Tim! Tim delivered some details in his car body. These are car parts. It will be interesting to have a look at them. Tim, unload! Friends, it seems there are parts of the race car. Let's together assemble a race car. Tim, can you help us? The biggest part is called the chassis. We will install the mounting for the wheels of the chassis. Done. There are 4 wheels. A race car has the smallest mass among all racing cars, which allows it to accelerate faster. We still need to install the steering wheel, seat, and rear wing. It presses the car to the ground at high speeds. A pilot drives such a car. It is a race car driver or just a racer. In addition, there is still no front spoiler. A race car is assembled. Racing on these race cars are only held on closed race circuits. Both the start and finish take place in one place. Such races have been held for a very long time and are the most popular among all sports races. Look, a panel truck is coming to us. Wow, it is interesting to know what he brought. That's a cool car. Now the race cars go to the starting line. Well then, the race begins. The green light came on. Come on, let's go. Guys, look! During roadworks, the road roller got a flat tire and blocked the racetrack. Cars can't pass. Tim, we need your help here. We need a pump to pump up the wheel. And here is the pump. Thanks, Tim. Now we will help to pump up the wheel. Hooray! We made it! Now the cars can continue the race.